Hello, good morning. I'm meteorologist Sean Macaday. We are tracking a nice day to get outside, albeit there's a bit of a concern for air quality that you should know about, which I'm going to tell you about, but that's an afternoon thing. This morning is still not terrible. Sunny skies, light winds. We're in the low 80s this afternoon. It's starting to feel like summer, just a little bit hot, but not too hot. Subjective, I know, that's my opinion. You could have a slightly different opinion, but I think there's something for everybody in this 7-day forecast because it does get cooler at times tomorrow and Thursday. Let's talk about the air quality. This is from noon to 8 p.m. We have an air quality alert issued for all of southern Minnesota, North Iowa. It's a different department that issues that air quality alert. It's actually done by state. It's not by National Weather Service agencies for these air quality alerts. And Minnesota went ahead and decided to issue this air quality alert, which I personally don't think it's a bad idea because this pollution is accumulating. Last week we had one of these air quality alerts for smoke. You probably remember that. It came through with a cold front. Things smelled like smoke. It was bad for about 12 hours. This is different this afternoon. This is because things have been so sunny and so still. There's not been much winds over the past 3-4 days that the car exhaust, the pollution from factories and power plants is starting to sit in the air. It's not going anywhere. So right now, we this morning are at levels of the air quality index where it's not terrible. We're only at the 2 out of 5 moderate level, but it's definitely, you'd like it to be better. If you're in a sensitive group, like if you have asthma, for example, COPD, you're probably limiting your time outside this afternoon a little bit. But most of us, maybe you're not doing too strenuous of an exercise, that you're taking in a lot of oxygen, but otherwise it's still not terrible. Low 80s this afternoon, pretty nice day, light winds. You'll want to wear some sunscreen. Overnight we dropped to 60 degrees at the upper 50s. It depends on the exact timing of when this cold front swings on through. It'll swing on through with winds out of the east. This is called a pneumonia front. This is much more of a thing in places in Wisconsin, but we've had 2 strong ones within the past week. This will be the second one that swings through tomorrow out of the east. Again, quite unusual. Normally we're tracking these out of the west. This is going to bring cooler temperatures tomorrow afternoon for Rochester, probably not bringing too much to places like Mason City, Albert Lea, Charles City, Forest City, where things are still probably close to 80 degrees. Austin maybe mid-70s, Rochester closer to 70 degrees. It could also squeeze out a small chance for a raindrop late Wednesday afternoon into Thursday morning. You can see some of that here. I only have that at a 10% chance for now, but we'll see. Maybe I have to up that to 20% based on some of the things I'm getting in early this morning during our shows. You can see the low temperatures are much different even Thursday morning. Let's bring you to the 7-day forecast here. One other concern with that cold front is it could bring down some more smoke from the skies above to the ground. So maybe some continuing air quality concerns late Wednesday through early Thursday, but things clear out again by the weekend.